Hello everyone, we have a massive foil pairings video to film. I kind of got sick of doing like a ton of small videos, so this is a mammoth. This is what I have left to film. I think I might do this from now on. We'll see how I go. So let's jump straight on in. This one's going to be massive. So we have the kit Love Yourself, and for this one I would pick clear iridescent, silver iridescent. Silver, you could go the rose golds, rose, hollow, pink iridescent flakes. You could go the champagnes. And that's probably all I would pick for this kit. Next we have berry, and I would pick pretty much all the same for that one as well. You could go gold iridescent as well, and maybe the purple. For Love You, I would choose probably everything that is there, so just the same usual suspects because it is a pinky based kit. For Timeless, it would be a little bit different. I would pick the green triangle for that one to add as an add-on. Not sure about gold iridescent, but it may work well. So there's those. Merry Christmas is a little bit different. I would pick rose in there, pink iridescent. You could definitely go with the blue sparkle. That would work well. Maybe the blue, and definitely, or actually no, not even the green triangle. There's not really any green in that kit, but if you felt like it, you could definitely go for that. Next, onto Christmas, I would probably go with, I don't know if I'd pick the blues, but I might leave them in there because that is an option. I would go the same three. I've got a couple of blues, gold iridescent, green triangle for the greens, hollow, and the champagnes. For Mary, I would pick just the usual because there's not really too much going on in there. For Christmas one, I would pick the usual, and I'd also pick green triangle. For summertime, you could probably go rainbow. I'd definitely pick purple. The rose gold, pink iridescent flakes might be okay. Rose, the other rose gold. Can you see anything at all? I don't know. You could pick the blues as well because of the blue in the kit. I'd probably lean more towards that blue. No, this one. The blue sparkle. Tropical. Probably pick everything. I don't know if... I wouldn't pick rainbow though. I don't think that would work well. You could do green triangle for the green, but I'm more leaning towards hollow or silver, rose or purple as a mixed metal. Flowers for, there's only a certain few that I would pick. So the usual suspects, the blues and the hollow. Autumn forest, I would pick those, and I've got gold iridescent, these champagnes, the rose golds, and the dark orange. And that's the end of the video. That went a little bit quicker than the other ones, so that's good. Well, it was still quick compared to what I had. But there is my recommendations. I don't have another one of these videos to film for a little while now, so I think I might just kind of just let them accumulate and then do it because I think it's easier. Unless I actually need that kit, then I have to do it ASAP. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!